Another beautiful day on this learning platform. Welcome! In this video, I will discuss how to make $500 a day with Chat GPT, OpenAI. Make sure to watch this video till the end because somewhere in between, I have a surprise for you that will change your game. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. I'm starting 6 side businesses with the use of artificial intelligence and GPT chat software. You can get up to 850 or more per day from them. They essentially require no skill and cost, no more than a few $100s to begin. All you have to do is pick one of these concepts and put it into practice. The market is currently very open, but these opportunities won't last forever. Similar to 2012, the so-called year of the whole mobile world. Several billionaires were made as a result of this possibility, and 2023 might be the year of artificial intelligence. Thus, act right away before it's too late. The world's smartest chatbox, Chat GPT, is unique since it's not only free but also blows people's minds with its capacity to simplify complicated topics into easily digestible knowledge. In contrast to Google's search engine, which returns results when you key in explain Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, it went from having no users to having 1 million in just 5 days, and it's just getting started. Nevertheless, if you type it into ChatGPT, you'll receive 3 to 4 extremely well-curated phrases outlining the topic instead of a dozen separate articles. Also, if you ask a subsequent inquiry, the previous response will be used. But how does this apply to producing money? As just 17% of the world's population currently speaks English, 83% of the world's population cannot be reached by any English language film you see. This implies that everyone who creates videos, from instructive ones like the ones on YouTube to those on Netflix, is searching for businesses and individuals to adapt their work so that it can reach a wider audience. This is where you come in. If you're wondering why someone would pay this, there is a program called We Are Nova that uses and for just 18 months, you can obtain subtitles and interpret 300 minutes of video. The margins on this, though, are ridiculous. The absurd part is that these folks generate millions of dollars in revenue each year. Actually, Mr. Beast performs this several service for other YouTubers, and it is one of his more significant companies. I see this side business as a no-brainer. When more content producers try to diversify their videos into new groups. Many physical stores nowadays lack an online presence and a digital link to their clients. It could be a lack of expertise or just a lack of time that excites and exists, and one way to create that connection between the company and its clients is by starting a newsletter. You can help in this situation. Now you can start a newsletter company, whether you actually contact businesses in your neighborhood or just hit up the phone books for a larger town. I actually have a buddy who provides this service. He charges $500 for just 10 companies and 2 newsletters every week, or 8 per month. The cost of doing this is $5,000 each month. If you double that, a side job may bring in $10,000 each month. It will only take you a few hours per week to complete the conversation GPT. And if you're wondering who will pay for it and what if you have no prior knowledge of the industry, think again. ChatGPT can be used in this situation. If a company has, let's say, a 500 average sale per customer, then each newsletter only needs to sell 1 customer to break even. Even so, it will be obvious to most businesses to at least give this a shot for a few months. Let's imagine you want to start contacting mechanics in your neighborhood. Since most customers of these shops spend several hundreds dollars, they typically have a greater dollar value per customer. You may write a newsletter with tips on how to maintain your car, or just to do a in the winter. With your car, there are numerous angles you could enter it into ChatGPT, and within a minute you might have a newsletter. If you desired, you could even charge less than 500 a month to ensure the sale. Many people lack the confidence or time to prepare screenplay for speaking in front of a camera, which is where you can help. You can either develop scripts based on the various video subjects, or you can approach YouTubers directly and offer them scripts. This will be more helpful to me if the YouTube category is more complicated. I know that it would be sometimes take me tens and hours to write about complex blockchain technologies. If brick and mortar businesses want to launch a video newsletter, or if you identify real YouTubers and direct them to your website with an offer of a package, the market is wide open. Here, the possibilities are unlimited. The typical YouTuber creates 2 videos every week at a cost of $200 per screenplay. With over 300,000 channels and over 100,000 subscribers as of 2023, that works out to $1,600 a month. If you were to secure 1% of just these channels at this offer, the monthly revenue would be $48,000. Let's go back. All of this requires maybe 5 to 10 hours per week for a side business that brings in $500,000 annually. With ChatGPT, you can support established businesses. But what about those that haven't yet been founded? Every year, more than 600,000 new businesses are established. And with new firms comes a lot of paperwork, according to the Better Business Bureau. Whether it be corporations, trademarks, and a lot more business beginning websites. Depending on the complexity, they charge anything from $500 on the low end to $10,000 of dollars to assist with business setup. This company website, which I discovered is called Craigslist, have discounts up to $1,500, and using ChatGPT, you may help clients in this market. Not even having any knowledge of starting a new business, you may now only use ChatGPT to acquire accurate information. But there is also a website called Tome, where you can quickly create business presentations. It makes use of artificial intelligence technology, and you have to do is to key in the topic. From there, it will construct the slides with both text and images. To encourage customers to assist businesses, you can even decide the number of slides you wish to present. You only need a domain and a website in order to give a whole package that will assist someone in starting their business. With the price of ChatGPT, you might examine what the market is offering and significantly undercut them. More individuals will start using this technology instead of becoming of these businesses once it becomes more widely available and known. But while you catch these clients, you can then filter them into some of those earlier offers that we just discussed. The next step is to build your own e-commerce store. Using drop shipping and ChatGPT won't really build the store for you. Drop shipping is wonderful because it doesn't require really investing any money in the products. And if you know how to use ChatGPT efficiently, it will handle 95% of the labor. Less than $200 will allow you to get started. When I went to ChatGPT to ask what amazing websites there were for drop shipping goods, it mentioned AliExpress. How can we locate the products on Alibaba that are worthwhile for drop shipping? Since I realize it's not that easy. Oberlo is a website that was highlighted by ChatGPT and will assist you in discovering both profitable products and current trends. So go to Oberlo, choose a niche, and then choose a domain that fits that specialty. Good copyright, decent photography, and or an accurate description of the products are some of the most crucial components of marketing. You may simply just download these photographs from AliExpress list in order to obtain them, but we can use ChatGPT to obtain the descriptions. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below. And if you have not yet already, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily interesting and helpful contents. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.